Back at Ryobi with our power tools today. Super excited. I've got Craig here next to me. He's going to guide us through these power tools. I'm very scared of a drill, so he's going to be holding my hand with that. Piece of pallet wood that we got from the warehouse. I'm going to be making a coat hanger. We're going to sand it, give it a coat of woodland polka dot paint. We're going to seal it, and then I'm going to put the hardware on, but we'll take you through the steps. 'We've sanded down as much as we felt was necessary, and now it is time for some polka dot paint with my favorite brush, Hamilton. 2 coats of our woodland done. We're going to wait for it to dry, and then we're going to give it a lick of Polka seal before we start with the hardware. Our paint is dry and we are ready for our Polka seal. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this. I'm going to show you the consistency of this product. It's got a milky vibe to it. It's very, very thin. It's got a beautiful finish that I don't think we'll be able to capture on camera. Okay, so we are done sealing. I'm going to put the hooks on. We're going to use the drill machine. So Craig, I want to ask you to please give us some safety tips on this machine. Yes.
So with a drilling machine, especially a Ryobi drilling machine, you've got quite a few features on the machine. You've got a forward or a reverse. In other words, if we wanted to put the screw in and take it out, we're able to do that. We also have a variable speed where we can turn the machine at a much slower state according to your liking or your comfortability. You've also got clutch settings on the machine, so that enables you not to push the screw too deep into the wood, and it'll make it all nice and even. So it's called a clutch, and basically your safety on it, you would never want dust or anything on the machine. You always make sure that your drill bit or your screwdriver bit is tightened in there, your battery is charged. And
you can use this battery on all the machines that we are giving away as prizes here. So I've been in the business for 10 years and I have never made something like this ever. I'm extremely proud of myself, and thanks to Ryobi tools, it's so easy. And really guys, if I can do it, you can do it. Thank you, Craig.